Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amazon SES for email delivery and mobile workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using Amazon's simple email service, or SES, you first need to create an AWS account. Visit the Amazon Web Services homepage and click on Create an AWS account. Fill in the required details, including your email address and a password. Choose an account type, typically personal for individual users, and proceed to enter your contact information. For billing information, enter your credit card details, which will be required for account verification. Once you've completed this step, check your email for a verification link from AWS. Follow the link to verify your email address, and complete any additional steps required for account setup. Now, log in to your AWS Management Console. In the search bar, type SES and select Simple Email Service. On the SES dashboard, find the region selection. Choose the region where you want to send emails from. Next, you need to verify your email address or domain. Click on Email Addresses under the Identity Management section. Then, click the Verify a New Email Address button. Enter the email address you wish to verify and click Verify this email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from. Click the verification link in that email. Return to your SES dashboard to confirm that your email address is now verified. If you're planning to send emails from a domain, choose the Domains option instead. Click on Verify a New Domain and follow the prompts to add your domain name. You will need to update your DNS records through your domain registrar. Copy the provided TXT record and add it to your domain's DNS settings. This step verifies your domain ownership, so it may take some time for the changes to propagate. After your domain is verified, you will need to request production access to move out of the SES sandbox. Click on Sending Limits in the left sidebar to view your current status. Click the Request to Move Out of the Sandbox button. Fill out the form with the necessary details about your use case. Wait for approval from AWS, which can take some time. Once approved, you can send emails to any address without restrictions. Next, you'll want to set up SMTP credentials for your application. In the SES dashboard, navigate to SMTP Settings. Click on Create My SMTP Credentials. Follow the prompts, choosing a username and allowing IAM to create a new policy for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.